How to fix Facebook no internet connection on Android. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook, on your Android of course. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone. After this guys, what you should do, you have to go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook, and on Facebook now what you should do, you have to scroll down and click on storage. Go now to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back click on first stop. Now click OK, and what you should do, go and restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.